Morning star pattern. A morning star is made up of three candles: a long bearish candle, a small bearish or bullish candle, and a long bullish candle. The middle candle captures a moment of market indecision, where the bears begin to give way to bulls. It occurs at the bottom of downtrend and is usually considered as a reliable reversal pattern. When it happens, it's time to go long, and of course, always remember to set a stop loss at the lower shadow of the middle candle. The opposite pattern to a morning star is the evening star. Evening star pattern. The evening star consists of three candles: a long bullish candle, a small bullish or bearish candle, and a long bearish candle. The middle candle captures a moment of market indecision, where the bulls begin to give way to bears. It occurs at the top of an uptrend and is usually considered as a bearish reversal signal.
If you want to watch the full version of the video, you can go to TradingLive or download the TradingLive app. Share it to your friends and learn for free.